This video will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the fake Chrome update alerts coming from this strange site, Manageswiftoverlyinfo-file.info. So this is a deceptive site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. This site, Manageswiftoverlyinfo-file.info, is absolutely fake. Don't trust it. Don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups. I recommend you to be very careful. If you see these pop-ups, don't install anything that they suggest. Such pop-ups may force you to install unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or as browser hijacking extensions. So if any unwanted extensions were mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, make sure you undertake the measures and fix your Google Chrome. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. And then if you find any third-party extensions here, you need to disable such unwanted extensions and to get rid of them. So disable third-party extensions and remove them. This was the manual solution to actually fix your browser. I also recommend that you research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may obtain on the official website combocleaner.com. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.